In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a self-signed certificate and use it as your identity provider in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to enhance the security of your applications or step into certificate management, this tutorial will guide you through each step, making the process simple and straightforward. Let's begin our journey in Salesforce. First, navigate to the home page of your Salesforce account. Once there, you'll want to locate the Quick Settings option. Clicking on this will open up a plethora of options, but today, we're interested in diving deeper into the advanced settings. So go ahead and click on Open Advanced Setup. In the Advanced Setup, there's a search bar waiting to help you dig through the intricacies of Salesforce. Here you'll want to type in Certificate and Key Management. This is where the magic happens, as this tool lets you manage all the certificates your organization might need. Once you type in Certificate and Key Management, a link will appear. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page specifically designed for managing your certificates and keys. This is your central hub for the next few steps. Next, you'll find an option to create a self-signed certificate. This is crucial because our journey's goal today is to generate this self-signed certificate. Click on that option, and you'll be led to a page that prompts you to fill in some essential details. The next step involves typing in a label name. This is where you'll assign a name to your certificate, something descriptive that will help you easily identify it later. Right below the label field is an input for a unique name, which you'll need to populate. This unique name acts like an identifier for the system, ensuring each certificate remains distinct. After filling in these fields, don't forget to click the Save button. This action officially creates your self-signed certificate within Salesforce. But we're not done yet. We still need to link it with our identity provider to finalize its integration. Now, in the search bar, type Identity Provider. You'll want to click on the Identity Provider option that appears. This section allows you to manage how your Salesforce instance acts as an identity provider, which is a key aspect of securely managing user access. Look for the Edit option once you're in the Identity Provider settings. Clicking here allows you to make adjustments, including selecting a certificate. This is where you'll choose the self-signed certificate you just created. Doing so integrates the certificate with the identity provider, completing its setup. Finally, make sure to click Save once you've selected your certificate. This action finalizes your settings, ensuring everything is properly stored and active for your organization's security needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created and utilized a self-signed certificate in Salesforce. With this setup, your organization's security posture is enhanced, and you've taken another step toward mastering Salesforce's complex environment. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our other tutorials for more insights and tips.